Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to change screen recording quality in your phone Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G. First, go to the settings of your phone here. Then go to additional settings and go to screen recording here. And here select definition, and here it is already set to medium, that is 720 pixel and 8 mbps. Okay, suppose if you want to set to higher resolution for screen recording, choose first one. This is full screen, full HD. Okay, 1080p means full HD and 60 mbps. Okay, at 16 mbps it is recording. Okay, if you would like to use custom definition, click on custom one, and here you can change resolution to maximum 1080 and bitrate, that is bitrate is now set to this level, and if you use this maximum 16 can be used. Okay, so if you want to lower the bitrate, move this part to the left side. Okay, so in this way you can easily change screen recording quality in your phone Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.